In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to activate Scotia Bank credit card. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the Spoon website, activate.scotiabank.com. You will be directed to this page. Now from here, you can easily activate your credit card. Here, you're going to get this kind of pop-up. Are you a Scotia Bank customer with access to online banking? If yes, click on the option yes. Now click on sign in. Provide the credentials of online banking, log into your account, and with that you'll be able to activate your account. In case you don't have online banking, click on no, then click on continue. You'll be directed to this page. From here you can easily activate the card. All you have to do is type in your card number over here and click on continue and go through the process. And that's it. This is how you can easily activate your Scotia Bank credit card. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.